Magpapatupad po ba tayo ng suspension sa permit to carry firearms? Kailan po ito? At buong bansa po ba o NCR lang po?
I'll consult with my higher authorities, and I'll take guidance from whatever the SILG and the other agencies that has oversight over the PNP will say. Pero personally ako, policy direction namin ngayon sa PNP, we're deliberating hard and fast. Bakit? Kung hindi ba kami mag-declare ng gun ban, ibig sabihin walang gun ban. Araw-araw naman sa atin may gun ban. Di ba? Subukan mo magdala ng baril dyan na walang lisensya at malalaman mo kung ano epekto ng gun ban. Kahit na hindi naka-declare ng gun ban. What I'm saying is that maybe you have to examine because the gun ban will only affect those legal gun owners, those responsible gun owners na nagpapakahirap na pumila dyan sa FEO para kumuha ng lisensya, kumuha ng drug test nila na requirement, at kumuha ng neuropsycho ng ilang oras para makakuha lang ng LTAP, license to own and possess. So, yan ang apektado ng gunman Yan ang mga apektado. Tapos mag-a-apply ng PTC. Yan ang mga tao na apektado ng gunman. We believe that the criminals, may gunman o wala, may dalang baril yan. So, yan ang sinasabi ko sa ating mga pulis. Ang stance palagi ng ating mga field units dapat ay parang as if may gun ban. Mag-checkpoint tayo, mag-check ng baril. Pag makita ang baril may lisensya, let them go. Because that is their karapatan. That is their privilege na in-applyan nila, na iginarant naman ng Philippine National Police under the auspices of our law. So, I'll consult first. The short answer there is I consult first. And I will actually recommend against the declaration. Because I do believe na the gun ban actually is our instrument para malaman natin sino ang legal at illegal na gun owner. Because I don't believe that legal gun owners are a threat to a society in general. Kaya nga legal sila na gun owner